Objective 4, recognize an equation representing first or second ionizations of an element. So what's important to keep in mind here is if you look at the 6 different equations I've given you, ionization means removing an electron. So just like when we're talking about a spectrometer, ionization is the removal of an electron. So they're knocking the electrons off and creating a positive ion. So the top 3, those are not considered ionizations. Okay, those have to do with oxidation and reduction. They're being reduced, they're gaining electrons. Even though they're forming ions, we don't technically call those ionizations. So when we look at the bottom set, the metals, those are being ionized as they're losing electrons. Na to Na plus, that's the first ionization of sodium because it's losing its first electron and forming a +1 ion. Mg plus to Mg2 plus, that's the second ionization. And this one here, I actually should have had Mg, or we'll just even say, yeah, we'll go Mg to Mg plus 2. This would not be considered a second ionization. In fact, this isn't even considered proper writing, I guess, scientific writing, because ionizations can only happen one at a time. You have to take one off before the second one can come off. So we would never write Mg becoming Mg2 plus unless we're doing a redox equation. But when we're talking about ionizations, it's just like peeling the hydrogen off an acid. You go from H2SO4 to HSO4 minus 1, and then you take the second one off, it becomes SO4 minus 2. So Na to Na plus is the first ionization. Mg plus to Mg2 plus is the second ionization.